Gold yesterday failing to break below 2080 levels. Remember, though we were expecting a retracement, but I had recommended a selling entry only below 2078. And yes, very clearly I have mentioned that beyond 2087.91 zone, one should stay bullish. One should expect a rise towards 2102 to 2120 levels. I hope you all profited. So what to expect today from gold? Can we expect it to retrace, or it is going to go break past 2020 levels, 2120 levels? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the twice a day updates. Next update will be released before the US session. Do like, share, and comment as well. Let's start. Firstly, look into our. And yes, if you have not joined the channel memberships, do join the channel memberships. First, let's have a look at the hourly charts here. See consolidation here, rise, then retracement, rise, then retracement towards 20 period, rise, and it is trading with sideways bearish. Remember, it is still bullish. It is, look at the moves here. Look at these three candles. Whenever it has consolidated, it is followed with a stronger rise. So a reversal confirmation is gold in gold is only if you see it staying below 2080, else it is not a reversal, it is still under retest. Second is look at the hourly charts, lower highs, lower lows. Here we have to wait for it to break beyond 2120 in order to confirm bullishness here. While you can see on the downside support is seen at 2110 levels. Also look at the 20 period and the median of the Bollinger Bands at 2105, 2104. This is a very good support, and this is also an achievable level. The stochastic has hit and bottom, while look at MACD, it is crossed over trying to trade with divergence, trying to suggest slight bearishness. But when you look at the MACD, look at the movement here. See, it is rising and it is trying to test the bottom. So I will wait for it to break here on the downside, which means 2110 needs to be broken in order to confirm further drop. RSI overbought coming to 2. Look at 2 hour charts, similar observation, nothing different here. And yes, it can try to retrace a little, but again a selling entry is below 2110, and then also we have to wait for 2105 levels in order to confirm further bearishness here. Remember, this is the support zone which it should not break. Only and only if gold breaks below 2080, that is the point of time you can say it has reversed, chances for which appears to be less. The stochastic has dropped, MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI is overbought here. Coming to 3 hour, likewise on the 3 hour charts, lower highs are seen here, reversal sign, and continue to trade with the bearish bias. So now looking downwards, we have to wait for a breakout either which ways. Yes, a little retracement on the downside is something which I will expect, but again, when it is bullish, every dip is an opportunity to buy. Only bearishness here is the point, that is 2080. It needs to break in order to confirm reversal. The stochastic overbought, MACD is in green trying to converge a bit, RSI is overbought. Coming to 4 hour, now look at 4 hour charts here, lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen. Possibly once it stays below 2110 levels, you can expect a further drop towards 2105, 2104. Look at the divergence of the price from the moving average. Now the 20 period moving average is sitting at around 2080, so it may take favor of more candles for it to retrace by the time moving averages will climb up. Stochastic remaining extremely overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish, and if you look at RSI, this is again staying overbought. Coming to daily, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my mentorship batch. The 30th batch is going to start in first week of April. 29th batch started yesterday itself. Reach out to me if you want to join my mentorship batch. Equip yourself with the strategies, tools, and the trade setups which can help you trade profitably. And yes, if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Again, ping me on Telegram or write an email for your queries related to the signals channel on Telegram. Now, and yes, those who ask me to recommend a broker which is trustworthy, safe, available across globe, works on MT4, MT5, and yes, which offers a swap-free account with lowest spread, the link is there in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, yes, the bullishness has got diminished. Look at these two candles. The bullishness has got diminished, but it does not certainly indicate that it is a reversal confirmation, that it is going to trade bearish. Remember this fact. A possible slight retracement, because see, the gold right now is trading outside Bollinger Band, so little push on the downside cannot. While on the upside, once it stays above 2120 and 2124.5, you can expect that the next target is towards 2130 and then 2145 levels. Yes, if it breaks on the upside towards 2120 and 2124.5, you can expect 2130 and 2145 levels very soon. Yet yes, it can continue to rise. See, the moving averages have started to diverge, and it is happening after long, so it can continue to diverge on the upside. Stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is overbought here. Considering this, a selling entry today is only below 2110, where you can expect 2105 levels as the first target, and below 2105 we can look forward to 2098 and then 2091 levels. Now I do not see it retracing that far, that is 2091, and even if it tries to retrace, that should be a good opportunity for you to stay bullish. Possibly we can again look forward for gold to move towards 2120 plus levels. But remember, the zone at 2080 2090 is something, is going to be a caution zone, because below 2080 it is going to trade with extreme bearishness, which can take it till towards 2050, chances for which appears to be less. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries, and do watch the next update before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Do press the like button before leaving the video. Do share and subscribe as well. Thank you.